In front of me is a Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, both of these keys at the same time. And from here, using volume down key, you want to select recovery mode. Choose the second option and then press power key to confirm it. And you should see the Android with no command right about now. Okay, there we go. So once you see this, hold power key and tap on power or volume up, and it will take us to the recovery mode. And in this mode we can use also volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key confirms whatever it's selected. As you can see, you can simply reboot the system, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run graphic tests, and run local tests, and simply power off the device. Now I'm gonna select reboot system now as an example, just to go back to the Android and leave this mode. So once it's selected, press power key and it will boot back up into the normal Android system. And there we go, we're back in the Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.